So I just put my chocolate instant pudding mix into my Cool Whip. This was some leftover Cool Whip I had. So I'm just using the container to mix this so I don't have to dirty up another bowl. Talk about easy peasy. We just want that Cool Whip to be well blended so that we make like a chocolate pudding Cool Whip. Now this only works with the instant pudding, not the cook and serve, so make sure you use the instant pudding. We are ready for our next step. So I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna grab these mini little plastic cups that I have, and we're just gonna put them nicely on my placemat here. We are making a spooky dessert, if you couldn't tell. Okay, and you can make as little or as many as you want, but I like to make 6 because there's 6 people in my family. All right, we're gonna bring back our Cool Whip pudding. It almost is like a chocolate mousse. And we're gonna scoop it right into our little plastic cups, just like this. I'm gonna do about 2 scoops in each one. These cups are the perfect serving size. All right, I went ahead and smoothed out our pudding mixture. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my food processor, and we are gonna make a topping for those yummy pudding Cool Whips. I have here some chocolate Oreos. You could use regular Oreos, but I kind of like these because they have that dark insides instead of the white, and you'll see why I like that. All right, so we're just gonna grab a few of these and throw them in the food processor. Do about 2 cookies per individual serving, so I'm gonna try to fit 12 cookies in there. This is just my mini food processor, so we'll see what we can get in there. Okay, that looks like it should be plenty. Go ahead and put the top on and process these. We want these to be chopped up. Ooh, that is so easy. Okay, look at that. We have perfect Oreo crumbs in there. Oh yeah, and we're made Oreo crumbs because this is gonna be our dirt for our little dirt cups. Okay, so let's bring our Oreos over. I have another scooper here, and we're just gonna scoop that Oreo right on top to kind of create like a little dirt topping, but obviously this is delicious chocolate Oreos, and that's why I picked the chocolate, because if we did classic, you would see some of the white in the pieces, which is not what I wanted. Also adds a nice crunch to our dessert, which I feel like is so nice when you're eating like a pudding, to get a mixture of textures. Almost done here. Oh, look how beautiful those are. I think this one needs a little bit more. And then we are good. All right, so I want these to be kind of like little pumpkin patches. So I have these pumpkin candies here. They're kind of like the candy corn candies. And we're gonna go ahead and just stick those pumpkins right in our dirt patch, just like this. How cute is that? Literally a little pumpkin patch dessert. Oh my, I am loving how this is turning out. But don't worry, we have one more thing to add to this to make it extra spooky. So just wait. Once you get your 2 cute little pumpkins in there, and you can add more if you want like a really full pumpkin patch, but I wanna make sure I have room for that next thing we're gonna add. Woo! These candies smell so good, and they look so adorable on top of our little dirt cups. Okay, last one. All right, you guys, we're almost done. Now I found these super cute ghosty decoration candies at Target, and of course I had to get them. Look how adorable they are. We're gonna make our little pumpkin patches haunted. How fun are these? And this dessert is just complete like that. So easy. You could do this with your kids. You could do it for a school party. You could even do it for a little work Halloween party. I mean, the options are endless. They're so adorable. I think anyone would love to have one of these Halloween day, month, week, whatever you want to, whenever you want to serve these. Oh my my God, that one has a little top hat. How cute is that? All right, last one, and we have our spooky pumpkin patch dirt cups all ready. Look how cute they are. I am so obsessed. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a try. I need to try that mousse pudding that we made. Get a nice spoon. I mean, you can't go wrong. So good.